Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to Windows 10 partition C drive without formatting. Type create and format hard disk in Windows search bar. Click create and format hard disk partition. Right-click C drive, shrink volume. Click enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. Click shrink. Right-click unallocated space, click New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.